Now going to the next one. Which of the following is not derived from the neural crest? This is a direct question, and this we very well do in our first chapter, that is the anatomy and the development. Can you see? So when we go with the derivatives of the neural crest, what are the derivatives of the neural crest? We have got the orbit. So all the orbital tissue is coming from here. Trabecular meshwork, the sieve-like meshwork through which the aqueous humid drainage takes place, that is also going from here, along with the ciliary. So here we have the ciliary muscles also, we have the ciliary ganglion also, and then what else we have in the neural crest? The three things, the sclera, then we have choroid, and then we have the endothelium. These are also coming from the neural crest. Sclera may we are having all except the temporal sclera. Why? Because temporal sclera is coming from mesoderm. Then we have got the choroid. So choroid ka stroma is coming from here, and number 6 is the corneal endothelium. If you remember, we have discussed this so many times that these three things are also coming from mesoderm, the sclera, choroid, as well as endothelium, and that is why whenever the question is coming related to the neural crest, you will have to see whether they are saying just the sclera or the temporal sclera, choroid stroma, choroid capillaries, endothelium, or the corneal endothelium. So basically, everything is coming from here except for this retinal pigment epithelium, retina, as well as the optic nerve. They are coming from the neuroectoderm. Neuroectoderm. So this is again a very important question, but a very easy question, straightforward hai. This we have discussed in the development of the eye. When does the development of the eye will start, guys? When does it starts, and when does it completes? This also we discuss in the class. What is the gene responsible for the development of the eye? I marked glaucoma bilateral but missed about the pain. But bilateral sudden involvement can happen in diabetes, whereas in glaucoma acute bilateral can happen. Yes, Sairam. So it starts at third week of period of gestation. Bilateral sudden in diabetes can happen. Yes, sudden and bilateral can happen in cases of macular involvement, macular edema. Completes at 9 to 10 weeks, and gene responsible will be the PAX6 gene responsible for the development of the eye. So I have always told you that this is important. You should know the derivatives of surface ectoderm, neuroectoderm, mesoderm, as well as the neural crest. And when does it start? When does it complete? The gene responsible for it. So these are the total number of questions which can come from the development part of the eye, the embryology portion. Okay.